Hello everyone, Sandeep again. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I talk about multiple technology products and how those can be utilized to be more productive during our day-to-day work. Today I wanted to talk about another MS Excel related tip which can help you to save some good amount of time. We all may have faced a similar situation where you need to compare two sets of data and find difference between that. While we can compare the data manually, there is an excellent feature available within MS Excel using which you can compare the data very quickly. So let's get into the topic right now to understand how we can utilize this particular feature.
In this particular tab, I have two sets of data and I have a requirement that I wanted to compare these two data sets. If you just try to find out the difference of data between these two data sets, it will be a bit difficult to identify and you may miss something. If you are in a situation that you need to compare two different data sets and you need to identify in case of any difference, this particular feature can be very helpful. So let's see how we can do it. So first of all, let me select fast data range. Now if I press Control and I select the second data range also, now both of the data sets are selected, right? Now what we need to do, we need to go to conditional formatting, this particular option. There you will find highlighted cells rules and you need to locate duplicate values. If you click on that, it will show the duplicate values. But what we need to do here, we need to select this particular drop down and we need to click on unique. So once I selected that, you can see this red color, it's highlighted that where is the change. You can see here the sales price is $12, here it's 18. So, and that is why gross sale value also got changed. Similarly, here it's 12, here it's 13. So this is one way you can compare two available data set and identify the changes or any variation very quickly. And you don't need to rely on any other formula. You don't need to do it manually. So this is one of the very useful feature which can save you a lot of time.
Hope you liked this particular video. In case you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you also wanted to watch similar content in future, please consider subscribing. I have a full course available in Udemy and Skillshare platform where I talked about more than 50 such MS Excel related tips which can help you to save good amount of time during your day-to-day work. You can check description tab of this video to find out links to those courses. You can also enjoy 2 months of free subscription in Skillshare using the link I mentioned below. Hopefully this video was helpful. We'll see you in one of my next video. Thank you.